Meaning of hut.
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 Hut. The term hut refers to a small and simple dwelling, typically made of natural materials like wood or thatch. It is often used as a temporary shelter or for specific purposes, such as a hunting or fishing shelter, a storage space, or a workshop. The word hut also carries connotations of simplicity and rustic charm. In some contexts, it may be associated with a minimalist, back-to-nature lifestyle or a desire to escape from the complexity and demands of modern society. Overall, the concept of a hut suggests a humble and practical approach to living spaces.